Hi, sir. Can you introduce about yourself?
Yeah, hi. My name is Pompaya HM. I'm a senior operations and lean leader with over 2 decades of experience in the manufacturing sector. I've been working for the healthcare divisions, automobiles, aerospace sectors. So where I've led the bigger team sizes and also implemented so many systems in the manufacturing sector. And alongside this, the working journey, I have been author of the book The Inner Engine. It talks about the ignite passion, so build your character, elevate leadership, the qualities, and moving towards a significant, the successful journey. So this is my introduction. Currently, I am heading one of the aerospace companies, and I have been alumnus of BITS Pilani. So I done my WILP MTech in the batch 2020. So that's what about myself and my journey.
Great, sir. So, sir, we would like to ask, what advantage did WILP has given to you?
Yeah, I could say the advantage of WILP. I could mention the I done my MTech in manufacturing management. So where I learned the quality systems, the disciplines of the framework of leadership and decision making, behavioral science. So where I could directly apply into my shop floors, the boardrooms, the task whichever assignments whichever I taken. So it has given a greater impact on me, and I got the ability to lead a bigger team sizes and also solve the problems in the real life in the manufacturing sector. So that's how the WILP MTech has shaped me. I got a lot of confidence after enrolling and completing my MTech in manufacturing management. I proudly say the WILP has given and shaped me as a good real leader to make a better decisions in my day-to-day the operations.
So, since you have said that you have done your MTech in WILP, so it's tough to manage your professional career as well as your MTech. So, what challenges did you face? How did you manage those?
When we are working professionals, the work integrated learning program. So while working and the studying, we should not treat it as two different things. It is like I'm learning to work better. I'm integrate will as a essential part for my success in the career life. So I have integrated it as I'm learning real scenarios. I'm learning the disciplines of the leadership. So all these qualities I'm learning through this program, and I got an excellent the contents and also the faculties who taught. They are very handy and taking the case studies of the practical things, and even I done my the projects which are live projects which I faced in the manufacturing while I'm working, the quality related issues and also grievances of people, how to handle the issues of the people through the HRM things which I learned. It's essential to be a better version of myself.
Great, sir. So, can you tell more about your book?
Yeah, after spending 2 decades into the factory floors in the leadership rooms, so I was quietly observing people in the boardrooms or in the factory floors are under pressure. So the people are breakdown, so not because of their lack of talent. So they are breakdown because of their inner clarity is missing. So this book is all about the aligning our inner clarity, identity, purpose, and discipline. When the clarity, purpose, and disciplines are strengthened, so no external challenges or external disruptions can stop any person. Elevating, building your character, and aligning, strengthening from inside. Before you are leading the external, lead yourself. Early career professionals who want to build the journey in the corporate world, and also leaders who are burned out because of lack of clarity. So it brings all the frameworks, tools, be it a student, be it a homemaker. So over the individuals who are purpose-driven individuals can take a benefit of this book. And this is not a philosophical or theoretical book. I lived through those things and I brought it into the book.
Great, sir. So, one final question. Any message to the community you would like to share?
Yes, definitely. Today, I'm a part of the alumnus, the functions which happens, and also the global connect. And it is a great thing. I can give it back to my alma mater in this way, like another through book, mentor and mentee, and also to talk about the self development with the leadership journey, whatever I done for 20 years, my ups and downs, my success and failures. So those messages like I want to share to the people. And also the will people, it is not about your title, it's not about your designation or anything not linked to that. So leaving that, you have to strengthen your inner engine, your values, your discipline, your purpose, so which gives you a more and more resilience within you when you become the strong with this. And when you aligned with a clarity and purpose, then you can lead the world like anything, and no one can stop you, no challenges can stop you. Even I want to tell this, the students who are in the campus, they were common question asking like, how could I go back, how I can take my next step and next journey. So only one thing I would want to tell them is believe in yourself. So if you feel you are meant for more on the outside, but you are having a uncertainty inside, then please go and read this book. That is a very, very useful tools and frameworks. So stay focused, believe in yourself. Don't chase like external success or titles or KPIs. Strengthen yourself and be consistent, be disciplined, align to your purpose. You can be a better version of yourself